Did you know when you walk, you use 200 muscles just to take one step forward, which makes walking the most underrated exercise. A healthy American walks on average about 70,000 miles in their lifetime. That's walking around the world 3 times. That's about 5,000 steps per day on average. Are you over or under? Do you wonder where your fat goes when you burn it? Well, 85% of it is expelled through your breath. The other 15 comes out of sweat and other bodily fluids. The strongest muscle in the human body is probably not what you think it is. The strongest for its size is the masseter, your jaw muscle. It can produce about 200 pounds of crushing force. The smallest muscle is the stapedius, which is located in your ear. It's only about 1 millimeter long and it helps protect your ear from intense vibrations from loud noises. People who don't exercise regularly could lose about 80% of their muscle mass by the age of 65. If you don't use it, you lose it. 1 pound of muscle tissue can burn up to 3 times more calories than 1 pound of fat tissue. Working out improves the overall look of your skin. Sweat can release the dirt stuck in your pores, which can reduce your acne breakouts. Physically active pregnant women could produce smarter babies. Exercising for 20 minutes 3 times a week could improve brain function and development. Depression and anxiety can produce neck and shoulder pain. Consider your mental health when dealing with these chronic conditions. Talk to your healthcare professional. Did these facts blow your mind? Let me know which ones.